Merry New Year. What's up, everybody? It's Bubba's Day Update for the last day of 2020, and here we are, and today's update is brought to you by Tradier, the greatest brokerage house there is. Actually, we have other brokers, but Tradier, again, at $10 a month, offering a free options trading course, which I'll be doing for you, okay, starting January 9th. Again, what can I tell you? $10 a month, a free options course, and great customer service, plus the fact that since we've automated everything, we can do it through them. It'll be your choice. There is no requirement. You can do it if you want. If you don't have to. That's entirely up to you. If you do want it, you got to sign for it. But in the meantime, so here we are, and it is the last day of the year, and the markets are mixed and all over the place and sloppy, which is no surprise. It is a normal trading day of ours. We'll trade the full day, but it should be a crappy day. It'd be a great day to be off, doing anything else but looking at these markets. But the markets are up, essentially, and we are still long. And, of course, as I said, we'll be long until next year, and let's see what the new year will bring. The bonds and notes are a little bit higher, and we are long both of those. Crude is, I don't know, it's all over the place, but we'll say it's flat. Okay, we're long crude still. The metals are charging higher and looking to close some very key levels at the end of the year, which could be huge going forward. It looks like they're trying to set up for a huge up move. Now, whether they do or not, I don't know, but we are long across the board. Nat gas a little bit higher. We're still short. Copper is lower. We're still long. The dollar is a little bit higher. We are short. So when you look at this is a non-event day that I could care less. It should be on the calendar, but then yesterday would be on the calendar. So at some point it just stops. It's just crappy. That's what we got here. A crappy market that isn't really meant for trading. Okay. In the meantime, the grains, they know, like I keep saying, they're going higher. There's no reason to believe they're not. I mean, wheat is a little bit lower today after being up only 24 cents yesterday. Beans up about 15, corn's up about 5. Look, as we said, they're in a bull market now. Every dip is meant to be bought until that changes, and when it changes, we will change with it. But we are long across the board. Meats are a little bit mixed. Cattle's slightly lower. However, hogs are up about $2.50. And of course, we're still long hogs. The softs, which I don't look at them much, obviously, because I don't trade them actively, but cotton was higher. OJ was higher. We're long cotton, short OJ. Coffee was higher. We're long coffee. Sugar is lower. We are long sugar. Short sugar. And cocoa is flat, and we are short cocoa. So, look, like I said, I'll say it one more time. It's a crappy day. It's a great day not to trade. Okay. In the meantime, we've got a webinar on Saturday, our hedging webinar. And if you're not hedging both crops as farmers and your equity portfolios as investors, you're making the biggest mistake of your life. Okay, that's all I'm going to say today. I'm just telling you that there is nothing better than being protected and sleeping at night and letting your portfolio compound and grow, or protecting the downside in these grains and meats. But hey, that's up to you. I'm just telling you what I think, and I think my opinion is pretty solid here. And of course, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at CTG Group. Again, we have other brokers, but for our futures and commodities, for my personal account, they trade 9 out of my 10 futures accounts for me, letter of direction, through our algorithms. Okay, that's where my members go. They're the only ones who are licensed and authorized to trade my algorithms for others. So again, you don't have to go there. There's no requirements. I'm just telling you that that if I say my money's there, just like my money's in all my products, I'm giving you my stamp of approval. That's all it means. Okay, I use them. I think they're great. In the meantime, they've got some great managed futures products, which I don't have anything to do with, but certainly you can check them out. And of course, our great partners at Family Farms. We keep hoping that one day we'll be out of the house again and back in business, but we are doing a lot as we can through Zoom meetings and whatever. But we have the same objectives and goals: help educate our farmers and help them make more money without getting screwed the way they've been screwed by over the years. And of course, our commodity report, Andy Heck, he's driving me crazy. He's writing and writing and writing. It's like a never-ending story. You should see the smoke coming from the pen, but these quarterlies are going to be outstanding. And he's been on top of these markets the entire way as well. In fact, you can hear Andy with me every Monday night when we do our Monday night strategy call. And of course, our high school program, which I'm not going to be finished with by the first year. I did not meet my objective, but it will be done very shortly. I just got to finish the videos. But if we do fund it about 92%. But if you'd like to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, we'll be back on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line, but lots of football today and tomorrow. We don't have a big interest in today's games, but tomorrow's games, the big national championship games, we like both underdogs to cover the spread. I think Ohio State can win straight up. I think Notre Dame gets a backdoor cover. But in the meantime, we'll see what it brings. And you might want to keep an eye on Cincinnati. But at the end of the day, there's not anything that is so outstanding because it's just hard to tell who's going to show up. In the meantime, happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. It's been a pleasure to serve you throughout this year. And we will be back with our new Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday. And, of course, the daily updates every day. Merry New Year, everybody. It's beef jerky time. Happy New Year, healthy, prosperous. Let's hope that COVID goes away and we get it solved. In the meantime, have a great holiday. Be careful if you get to go out. And if not, enjoy yourself and enjoy your friends and family. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.